Today in this video we are going to learn about the slide master and the use of slide master in MS PowerPoint. Basically it's a very unique and I think it's a very time saving feature in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So when we need to design a slide and the need to same kind of formatting in all the slides in our presentation, we need to use the slide master feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Just to create a blank presentation, or you can choose your templates from pre-shaped or pre-designed. So simply this is the first slide, our uh, default type of slide. So for our slide master, we have to go to the view menu, and here's the option slide master. So slide master means masterly you can design or apply the formattings in a one place, and it can be applied in the several place. So let's start. This is the first slide, master slide title. So we can design it like here. So let's insert our render footer. I want to apply footer, and footer is control M press this. So designing changed font of objects in this. That's it. So we apply Times New Roman. Here is also Times New Roman. We can change it like this. I don't want to this here. If I control select and this one, but if we want to same effects in the multiple slide and we want to save our time, we can create this master slides. So that's it. Thanks for watching.